In this video, you'll learn how to remove the Calendly logo branding from your scheduling pages. By following these steps, you will be able to customize your branding settings effectively and enhance your professional appearance. Start by navigating to calendly.com in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the upper right corner and click on it. If prompted, enter your account credentials to access your Calendly dashboard. After signing in, you will be directed to your main scheduling page. Next, find the Admin Center option on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this option will take you to a new section dedicated to managing your account settings. On the Admin Center page, look for the branding option in the menu. Selecting this will direct you to the branding management interface. Once you're on the branding page, search for the section labeled Organization Logo. This area displays your current logo and provides options for modifications. If you wish to remove the existing logo, look for the Delete button next to the logo image. Clicking this button will prompt a confirmation message ensuring you wish to proceed with the deletion. After confirming the deletion, the logo will be removed from your branding settings. It is important to note that you should review your branding preferences before proceeding. Following the removal, locate the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will apply your changes and ensure that your branding is updated accordingly. Finally, wait for a brief moment as the system processes your request. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. It is advisable to refresh the page to see the updated branding without the logo. By following these steps, you have effectively removed the Calendly logo branding and customized your scheduling interface. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.